Came in the world crying and fussing. Nigga, we ain't have nothing. Every ghetto, I know the same.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back with a brand new video. Got your boy, Joy and Lacey. Hey, I got a question. Have y'all heard the song with him and K-Town Beats called Laced Up? If you haven't, it's hot, it's fire. Go check it out. Laced Up, featuring Joy and Lacey. You know what I mean? Hey, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how we do it. You know what I'm saying? Today we're going to get into the haircut. You know, we do a drop fade on Mr. Lacey. So, you know, first you want to create your guideline. You know, we're going to use the wall detailers. Going to get that line right and then make it real close at the bottom for him. Next, you want to get your adjustables, whichever ones you're using. I'm using the Babyliss Rose Gold Clipper. You want to use it with the blade all the way open, no guard. You want to use that to create your next guideline. Right? You want to clean it up. And after this, you want to use the next guard would be a 1.5. I like to skip. So normally you would use a 1 guard next, but in this case I'm going to use a 1.5. I like to use it just to give me some room, some separation, skip a step, make the haircut go a little faster. So right here I'm going to use the 1.5. And right here you want to grab your 1 guard and clean up the in-between area. See that? So you just get right there and you just clean up everything in between all the way around. Right here you want to use your 2 guard to clean up the rest of the bulk. You see the dark areas right here, you want to attack that and you want to get the bulk off of that, make everything transition really smooth. After that, you want to take your 1 guard again and clean up any areas that seem like they need to be cleaned up and work your way all the way around the head. after that, you want to take off your guard and just use the blade open. You start from high to low, and you want to work it, with the corner of the blade to make sure you get that line out. You want to get it as light as possible, as low as possible, and just keep working it out. Gradually work it out with consistent strokes, and you'll be able to get the line out. I'm just getting this edge up together, prepping it, hitting it with the freeze holding spray. You can find that at Sally's. You want to brush the hair down, make sure everything is in place. That's what the holding spray is for. So when you brush his hair down or the person's hair down, it actually holds it in the place that you brushed it. So it makes it easier to line up and you can see everything. And it dries it, so it makes everything nice and crispy line up. You know what I mean? If you want that crispy line up, you gotta use that along with a couple other tips. I got videos for that too, crispy line up tutorial. But yeah, you want to work your way left to right, right to left, however you want to do it. You want to start with the sides first, you can. I use various different techniques, just whichever one you're comfortable with to start it. So we will use a little enhancement on his haircut just to make it pop. Got a video today, so want to make sure it looks good, extra crispy, but I'm showing you right now he has no enhancements. I can make a nice lineup with no enhancements. I don't really need it. I started cutting hair before enhancements became popular, so I've been edging up without enhancements for so long. So crispy lineups, I've always been able to do them if the hair is there to allow me to do it. You see how crispy that is? I didn't use any enhancements, so don't think that I can only do crispy lineups with enhancements, because that's not true, so check that out. But you want to gradually work your way, and you want to take your time with it, and you want to do the exact same thing that you did on one side on the other side also, so that'll get you there the way you want to be. Like I said, whatever you do on one side, you want to make sure you do the same thing on the other side. So that's what I'm doing. Just turning around, stepping back, looking at it, make sure I line everything up as I did on the opposite side. right here, I want to quickly show you guys how enhancements work. You see the light spot on that side? Boom, I hit it. You see how it just make it extra crispy? I didn't create a line, I just filled it in. You know, it's not anything wrong with people have problems using enhancements and thinking something wrong with it, but I don't. I used to be honest with you. I had a problem with it because I didn't grow up in the era of enhancements, so I thought it was kind of like cheating or whatever. And some people still might feel like that. Me, I don't anymore. I feel like it's a part of the process. Everything has to change. Everything evolves. So if you don't evolve, then you'll be left behind, right? Now, so I had to learn how to deal with that. I did. I like it now. I love it. It makes the haircuts look good. People want to look extra crispy nowadays. That's fine with me. So that's what I give to people. I give the people what they want. You know what I mean? But in the meantime, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't checked out that video, Laced Up, featuring Jordan and Lacey with K-Town Beats. You know, they got that little fire thing going on. So, hey, you know, check that out. But remember, share it. Leave a comment, especially. Let me know how I did on a haircut. You can always rate my haircuts 1 to 10. Whatever comment you put out there, I'm going to leave it there. I won't delete it. So whatever you say is fine with me. But leave a comment if you can. Tell a friend or tell a friend. You know how we do it. Till then, peace.